Hi everyone, this is Job from IQ Tunes. Polocrack sent me a request to draw a Adorabat. So let's draw it. So we'll take our marker as usual and follow along with me. So this is going to be a very interesting drawing. I'm so excited to start with it. I'm hoping you're excited too. So let's begin. So the first thing where we're going to start, we're going to draw an eye. So I'm going to draw a big round eye first. There we go. Let's try to draw it nice and round because Adorabat has beautiful round eyes. There's one eye, and I'm going to use my index finger and I'm roughly going to measure about here, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to draw another big eye, and remember, try to keep it roughly about the same size. So draw your circle very carefully. And then inside I'm going to draw the pupil. Okay, so let's try with this eye first. We're just going to draw a little pupil, and I'm going to stop right there. I'm not going to go through with it. At the bottom I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to bring it back, yeah, like this, and I'm going to draw a U shape right in this pupil, and I'm going to extend it on this side, and there we go. There's a light reflection. Let's do the same with this pupil. So we're going to draw, we're not going to go through, we're just going to stop there. And then from the bottom I'm going to go up nice and round, stop there, a U shape within the pupil, and then just make another circle outside it, and there's our pupils. Great. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the head. So right here on top I'm going to measure right here between the middle of the two eyes. I'm going to make a little line, and I'm probably going to take, yeah, about there, about that height. And I'm just going to bring a curvy line back about roughly above that eye. And what I'm going to do at the bottom, first of all, right between the eyes, we can draw a little smile. There we go. And then I'm going to measure about an index finger again, and I'm going to make a mark, and that would be the chin. So I have this height, and I'm going to use this distance, and I'm going to bring my finger up, and I'm going to make roughly a mark here. That will be the top of the ear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect these two lines. So I'm going to bring it back. There we go. Like that. Now about the same height, and roughly between the eyes up, we're going to make another mark. And this is going to be the other ear. So there we go. There's the two ears. Now what I want to do, I'm gonna bring a line down the face on the side. So this is the ear, and now we're gonna go into the cheek area like this, and I'm gonna stop roughly about there. Now I see the distance there, so I'm just measuring with my eye that distance as well, and I'm gonna make a little point there, a mark there for me, a reference point. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna draw a line down. I'll try to keep my arm very steady, and I'm going to stop right there. Now we have this reference point. Now from this reference point I'm going to go and I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to try to keep it nice round and like try to flow it in there. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. So nice and round and carefully, and you're going to connect it, and it's going to flow nicely in there. Next thing I want to do is actually color in the two pupils. So let's color them in. Perfect. Now we're going to draw the heart. So again, I'm going to try to do it in the middle. So I'm going to measure right between the eyes. I'm going to go down. I'm going to make a little reference point for me. And again, I'm going to take my pinky and I'm going to make another reference point there. That would be the bottom of the heart. And then I'm just going to draw the heart. A beautiful little heart right here. And you can do it as well. There we go. One side, and there's the other side of the heart. Perfect. Now for the wings. I'm just going to draw two straight lines, roughly to the middle of the heart, the height there, two of them, and then you can just make sort of a straight line or a curvy line. I'm going to make a curvy line like this. for the front parts of the wing, and I'm gonna see if I can make it about the same height. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we can start up here. So again, you can maybe take your index finger about that height, and you're gonna make a mark. Index finger, you're gonna make a mark. Now I'm gonna make it so it flares out a little bit more like this, and I'm gonna try to keep the same angle like that, and there we go. That's the front and the back part of the wing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw a little line out like this, and I'm gonna do the same thing here, little line out like this, and then I want to make a little round, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna connect it, and I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go up there, and there we go. There's the two wings, and I'm gonna draw the bottom of Adorabat's body. So there we go, just like that. Perfect. Now right here in the middle, I'm gonna draw the leg. So I'm gonna draw sort of a roundish shape like this. There's one leg. Then I'm just gonna draw a straight line up. From here, I'm gonna draw a line, sort of a skew line down, and then I'm just going to connect it, and there's Adorabat. What we can do, we can do the shadows quickly, so we can do a line there and there. Good. And let's color it in. Great. And let's make another shadow right here. We can just draw another line there, and we can color it in, and there's another shadow on Adorabat's wooden leg. There we go. I think Adorabat looks absolutely beautiful. What do you think? Thank you again, Polocrack, for the good idea to draw Adorabat. It was quite fun. Please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment as well if you want me to draw something else, and I'll be glad to do it. I'll see you soon.